Silence that surrounds us. Quiet thoughts and quiet streets, quiet walks by quiet trains, and the window looking on the mountain and the sea. Oh, how lovely! This is where I want to be. Here with you, so close to me. The final flicker of life's ember. I was lost and lonely, believing love was only a bitter, tragic joke I found with you. The meaning of existence, I can't felicidade. The meaning of existence, so